Hello friends, today I will show you a science experiment called the capillary action. I will show you how to make two different colors using three colors by capillary action. You can see there are 5 different colors in these glasses. These are red, orange, yellow, green, blue. I made two different colors from blue, yellow, red. Green is made from blue and yellow. Orange is made from yellow and red. This happens because statue is polar and small holes in it. These holes act as capillary. The water takes to the walls of the holes. So let's learn how to make capillary action. Capillary action unify gases into empty gases and 3 filled with water. You need to add colors in filled gases. You need to add 3 to 4 drops in each gas. Now mix these colors. Now we have 3 gases filled with colors: blue, yellow and red. Now we need to add tissue paper in these gases for capillary action. You have to roll the tissue paper like a slope. You can use this kind of slope or any other shape to roll the tissue paper. Look at the slope. You need to add it like this. Now take another tissue paper and roll it like a slope. See, this is look like a straw. And for that, put it inside the gas. Take another tissue paper and do the same. to wait for 2 to 3 hours. Wow! Look at the orange color and green color. This is called a capillary action. Look at the green color. The green color is made from pure yellow, and orange color made from red and yellow. Let us wait for some more time. See, green and orange are fading with color. Orange and green filled with colors, and red and yellow and blue getting empty. This is called a capillary action. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel Smarino.